what TrenchTown is all about is the college of knowledge. So we have a group from out of TrenchTown by the name of Knowledge, which is an international group that sing for TrenchTown, for the beauty of TrenchTown, not just Bob Marley and the Wailers. You have like the Wailing
You'll
Soul.
find their music there.
Huh?
Go on the YouTube, you'll find their music there. Dread.
Yes.
Yeah.
You'll find stuff there.
Yes, so you what the Virgin just said, if you go on the YouTube and you Google in Knowledge, you will see the music crop up and you will see that family of that. It's a part of the group Knowledge.
Yeah, so what, can you tell us something?
I was a man that came from TrenchTown way back in the 60s. I went to England 1967, but in the 80s I returned to TrenchTown after I left the band that I was with in London called Miss Dean Roots. I came back to TrenchTown 82, 84 and set up rehearsal room there where we train a lot of the young musicians them around there and so on. And lots of them gone on to international stage. College of knowledge, yeah. If you enter the college of knowledge and you leave that and you cannot make your way, then you have It's reality.
Yeah.
See this piece of stick here? A woman carved this in Zimbabwe and sent it to me in 1981.
Wow.
Because I learned my first profession on the Concorde.
And that's the ebony.
And England and France made the Concorde. So whenever they called the French name that I had, they never looked for me as a black person. They looked for a Frenchman, so that wasn't my name.
Frenchman.
My name is now Simbarashi Tongara. It's a blessing to reclaim at least even your name.
Okay. Yeah, man, I tell you, history.
It's that we're brainwashed, and if you see, like in the giant flight incident where everybody just react and whatever not. And black people tend to be reactive, but not proactive. Like a man step on your foot and you jump, nah, them step on your foot. That's reactive.
Right.
But we're not proactive to make sure a situation like that does not occur. And we need to take that stance for us to really claim on our heritage. I don't know where you're from. Where you're from?
Me? I'm from Westmoreland, but
where do you live?
In the state, United States.
All right. Well, I live in England, and I tend to be a champion of the faith. So many years ago, a deputy prime minister by the name of John Prescott, I worked with him for 3 years to change one line in the school curriculum to say that the slave trade, while it being history, is not our history. Because the reality is, white man don't want to talk about our history. Do you realize he still up to this day cannot build a pyramid because he don't want to know about our history?
Right.
So when time you go in school, our children, then they need to know about our history, not to be told that the slave trade is their history. And only we, the parents and so on, can future that in school. For instance, in England since 2007, it's changed that no more that you can call in school blackboard. You have to call it a chalkboard.
Chalkboard.
Yeah. But that came about because we changed that one line in the school curriculum to say the slave trade is not black history. But
we also have a connection in Great Britain, Great City, as he says that he's from there.
Yeah.
There's a place there named called Fairfield House.
Fairfield.
That was a part of us here. His Majesty built that for the family.
Yeah.
Of whom we recognize.
Right.
And know what their right is like. So, as I said, singers, players of instrument, which is TrenchTown, that fulfill that part of it. We know of our sovereign right of ourselves as Ethiopians.
Yeah.
And we know that we represent the eyes of whom never again conquer. We know the history of Lalibela too. RR to what celebrate to the Maskal Square in Ethiopia, where we have that Maskal celebration every year annually. 26th of September to the 27th, where we have that Maskal celebration. All the spiritual forces get together right in the Maskal Square. But His Majesty have leave a legacy in Lalibela through RR to the Maskal Square in Ethiopia.
Wow.
We are the one who have been maintained that history and that legacy and teaching it to our youths of today and generation to come to should know of their right.
Right.
And what we do and send that out there is through the Ethiopian World Federation, which is there to guide all black people all over the world.
Right.
You see? Yeah? The Ethiopian World Federation is there to guide us of our heritage, and it is there to guide us of our rights as black people. Not with the corporation, with the G and the P and those who mislead us astray. We have the higher power, we have the power. Not they are the one who have the power. They are the people who have the power. So she comes seek the knowledge and seek what is of her. She represented it Mahat.
Yes.
Because what she gathering is all about law and order and justice.
Yes.
Of what bring equality and justice for all mankind.
Yes.
Which is the truth.
The truth.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Respect.
truth.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Respect.
Thank you
Thank you very much, man. Enough respect, man. Yeah, man. Anna. All right.